Okay, so this is how we are going to twist these glass balls, which are very delicate, onto a pick. So it comes like this, and first we need to untwist them and separate them. So there's one strand that is wrapped around the whole thing. So we untwist it, and then we can separate it. We need 3 in order to make a decoration. Did I mention that these were glass, so we have to be very delicate? They do break. So you take 3 glass balls and then you twist them all together like this. And then you take a pick, which is also all twisted together. So we need to untwist this. We grab one pick. Here's one. And I'm going to put it right about there. And wrap it around. Maybe even around a ball, and then wrap it around again so it's nice and tight. And then I'm going to take this leftover wire and wrap it all the way down the pick. And it's done.
Okay, so you have 3 berry strands. You want to twist them so they're one piece. It goes pretty quickly, and it's done. Take your twisted 3 berries and wrap it around. You want it to look very pretty and be very secure. And the end product should look like this, and it shouldn't slip down. Okay, so you have 1 wire. Take 2 similar sized pine cones. Take your first pine cone, wrap the wire sort of in the middle around the bottom-ish of the pine cone. Twist it once or twice so it's secure. It's not going to fall off. Take your second pine cone, meet it up with the first. Again, wrap that wire close to the bottom once or twice, maybe 3 times, and it's secure. It's not going to fall off. You need some of the edging to secure to the wreath. So this is about right. Done.